Hello, kids! Lucy is very happy to see you again today. Today, we will explore 3 special lands. First is the ancient dinosaur forest. Next is the sunny Savannah grassland. Finally, we will visit the deep blue ocean. In each place, we will meet many interesting animals. Are you ready, little explorers? Let's begin with Lucy. Now, let's build a colorful mini world together. First, in the upper right corner, we place a large grass landform. Around it, we spread green sand. Then, we use small pebbles to make a clear border. Next, we spread orange sand to make the Savannah grassland. This area also has small pebbles around it. The remaining area will be the ocean. We cover it with blue sand to make a wide sea. Now, let's go back to the green sand area. We add a small grass landform, tall trees, and some flowers. Then we place a dinosaur skull fossil as the highlight. Next is the Savannah area. We place mountains, landforms, and special grassland plants. This will be the home for wild animals. Finally, we decorate the blue ocean. We add colorful coral reefs. The underwater world now looks more lively. Our mini world is complete. Now let's explore the animals with Luccy. T-Rex was a very large meat-eating dinosaur. It had big and sharp teeth. T-Rex had a very good sense of smell. Its name means Tyrant Lizard King. Dimetrodon lived before the dinosaurs. It had a large sail on its back. The sail could help control body temperature. Dimetrodon was a meat eater. Pachycephalosaurus was famous for its very thick head. It could eat plants or different kinds of food. It walked on 2 strong back legs. Its name means thick-headed lizard. Quetzalcoatlus was a very large flying reptile. It had very wide wings. It was not a dinosaur. It had a long beak and no teeth. Sauropelta was an armored dinosaur. Its body had many hard bone plates. It had sharp spikes on its shoulders. It was a plant eater. Giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest land animal. Its long neck helps it eat leaves from tall trees. Each giraffe has its own pattern. Giraffes mainly live in Africa. Baboons live in groups. They are very smart. They eat fruit, insects, and many other foods. They communicate with sounds and facial expressions. Lion. The lion is often called the king of animals. Lions live in groups. They are very good hunters. A lion's roar can be heard from far away. Hyena. Hyenas have very strong jaws. They can hunt by themselves. A hyena's laugh is a way to communicate. They live in groups. Rhinoceros. The rhinoceros is a very large animal. It has a horn on its nose. Its skin is very thick. It likes to eat grass, leaves, and young branches. Zebra. Zebras have special black and white stripes. No two zebras have exactly the same stripes. They live in herds. Zebras can run very fast. Jaguar. The jaguar is a big cat from the Americas. Its fur has many beautiful spots. Jaguars are very good swimmers. They often hunt alone. Lobster. The lobster has a hard shell. It lives on the ocean floor. It has 2 strong claws. As it grows, it must shed its old shell. Starfish. Starfish often have 5 arms. They live in many oceans. Many starfish can grow back a lost arm. They move with many tiny tube feet. Octopus. The octopus has 8 arms. It is very smart. It can change its body color. When in danger, it sprays ink to escape. Sea turtle. Sea turtles spend most of their lives in water. They must come up to breathe. Female sea turtles return to the beach to lay eggs. Their shell helps protect their body. Sea crabs have 10 legs. Their 2 front legs are strong claws. Crabs often walk sideways. As they grow, they must shed their shell. Blue tang. Blue tang is a bright blue fish. It lives in tropical coral reefs. It eats algae on rocks and coral. Blue tang often lives in warm seas. Clownfish. Clownfish live among sea anemone tentacles. Sea anemones help protect clownfish. Clownfish also help clean sea anemones. They are orange with white stripes. Moorish idol. Moorish idol is a colorful fish. It has a long dorsal fin like a ribbon. It lives in tropical coral reefs. It swims fast and gracefully. Wow! Today's adventure is over. We explored the dinosaur forest, the Savannah grassland, and the deep blue ocean. Luccy is very happy to explore with you. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next adventure.